We're going. Wait. My feet are gonna get wet.
Oh, my feet too, because I'm using big shoes.
Yeah, those are mine. I'm using the tiny shoes. That my feet are gonna get wet because it rained or something.
It did.
No, it didn't. It was the sprinkler.
Yo, but how that sprinkler can go like from 1 mile? Yo, what are you doing?
Whoa, look at it go.
Oh, we're trying to break the fidget cube. It's so metal.
I know what we can do. Get the rock.
Really,
We need a
doesn't.
solid base to go.
Okay, let's go up there and let's go upstairs. Come on, and let's throw it.
Wait, we should tell them we're gonna be on the front side.
Okay.
Don't tell them we're gonna be in the front area. By like
That house. Oh, frick! A big hole. Vamos a estar en el front. En el front.
Pero en el grass.
Sí.
Okay. Sí, aquí, mejor aquí, yo le voy a decir.
No, en el front.
Le voy a decir.
Okay, sorry about that, guys. We just got to pause it, and my feet are so wet. Yo, there was a big hole, and that's why I just screamed so hard.
wait, hold on. I don't want.
Okay, we're going up there, and we're gonna broke it.
Again's not really here. He's not really from here. So I'm just gonna go up. Wait, don't show the number of my house. Because I don't want to do that.
Oh, dude, no, don't. No, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Hey, come on, Pitchy. Come on.
You watch my sandals.
Come on. Oh, okay. Yo, I'm gonna put my. Oh, I wish I could.
Go up, go.
Okay, we're going over there. You know, let me throw it over there. Puchi's gonna throw it over there. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, goodbye. Tell me when to go.
Go! You didn't do that damage! No! Nothing happens! Shoot, no way! Dude, Poochie. Oh, jeez. Okay, give me that fidget cube. I'm gonna throw the house hard as I can could. Okay.
Hand me the camera.
Okay. That camera.
What's up, guys? Camera Poochie. You gotta be quiet though, because there are people sleeping. No, don't. Go watch it. I'll count you off. In 3.
What? No way!
Look at this.
Unbelievable.
Here, hold this.
Dude. No, I'm not the camera.
Just hold it.
Okay.
We can switch turns.
Yeah, but I'm the guy of the video.
Put it on this. Let's go.
Yo, unbelievable. Didn't do nothing.
Still.
Yo, that fidget cube. Really? Where is it? Oh,
We should get a car to run it over. Because this thing will not break.
yeah, yo, we got to find out what thing is gonna break. Yeah, I don't know. Yo, I don't know. With a knife, we broke a part.
Yeah, we got somewhat done. Oh, I got a rock and I was poking it, but it didn't do anything.
Yo, unbelievable. Can you hold the camera and I'm gonna go up?
Alright, Dan's gonna go up. Throw it with force. Okay, throw it with force.
Hard.
You have to throw it not so hard so it's gonna hit me, but He's gonna throw it up. Okay. Again, Leanne is now hopped up out of a throw. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. A part of it came off. What? I saw something. Holy crap.
I went down.
This thing fell. Right here. Look at this.
Oh, jeez.
This thing
fell.
We threw it with force.
No.
Look at this. Look at the edges on this.
Wait, nobody can see it.
Okay, hold on.
Wait, let's get to them. Over here. I'm not gonna show the house. Okay.
Okay.
That's
Okay. Look what this came off. With their
Dude, nobody
screws.
can see it.
They're screws. And here, it's really bad.
Yo, unbelievable. No, no. Dun, dun, dun.
We should go to a place. We should go to a wall.
But not those walls. Oh, how about this? How about those?
People who live here are like 40 plus.
How about you?
Ah, crap. I got it stuck on again. I put it right back on.
Come on, you
Hit the
push.
car. I don't see anything damaging to the car. You see any damages?
This is
Don't
this
show the
is
license plate.
Pucci's car.
Don't show
but-
the back.
I want like.
Just the front.
Wait, can you hold it?
Yeah.
Don't.
And Dad's gonna go check out the license plate. Obviously, we're not putting that in the video. That would be stupid. He's just looking at the car. I mean, I don't have anything wrong with this car, but it's really hard to start.
Okay, so let's go back to the house.
We're gonna go back inside. Wait, what should we do today? Before you have to go home.
I'm not going home.
When? But when?
At 12.
I know, but it's like it's 9:51. What should we do?
No, I don't know. I'm just gonna try. I'm gonna try.
We don't know what to do.
No, we don't got money. People who got money do everything what they want because they got a super house. And don't show the house.
They have Donald Trump's house open.
Some of nosotros.
Put the camera down.
Some of nosotros. Gracias. ¿Qué pasó?
Sopo. Llama a tu hijo para dejar la cocina limpiada.
Wait,
So-
Jacob is
Huh.
Jacobo.
Yeah.
So here when I
It's still going. You can
Oh,
end it if
still.
you want. You can end it if you want.
so
That
well here I just sleep. It was like this was over there.
was it comfortable or not?
Yeah, it was so comfortable. I was like watching. I was watching YouTube
What time
and
did you go to bed? Actually, I don't remember.
Huh?
Did you go to? I think you went to bed like 12:40, 12:30.
I think so.
I went to bed at 1.
Oh jeez.
I was watching Gordon Ramsay. If you guys know who he is. Kitchen Nightmares. One of my favorite shows.
Kitchen nightmares.
Yeah, it's where like these people have like disgusting kitchens. It's really gross. You know, if you break this apart and we can go survival hunting, we can just go ha.
Okay, guys, we got to stop here. Make sure you subscribe the video. Please get a thumb up, and please, peace out. Say bye.